So I'm at the grocery store the other day, and they have these huge, beautiful bell peppers. I just love these. First thing I thought was, okay, these I've got to make a beautiful stuffing for, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the red one, I'm going to fill it with the green stuffing, the green one with the red stuffing. You can put the stuffing in whatever color pepper you like. I'm just going to do it this way for today. Maybe I should have done this at Christmas. The two stuffings we're going to make today are super easy to make, and even better, you can make them with ingredients you probably always keep on hand if you're like me. Of course, I do a lot of keto cooking, so I have these things around all the time. It really will make your life easier if you keep great ingredients around like these. The first one here is cauliflower rice. This is 4 ounces, or about 110 grams of cauliflower rice. In it goes, and I don't like to waste anything at all, so I make sure I get everything out of the bowls. Next, let's add in some cheese. Here I've got 2 ounces, that's 56 grams of diced mozzarella cheese. In it goes. Half an ounce, that's 14 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. Next, we're going to add in some protein. Here I've got 4 ounces, that's about 112 grams of cooked diced chicken. Next, for big flavor, I've got 4 tablespoons of homemade pesto. Simply mix it together until all the ingredients are well combined. And there you go. We're going to set this aside now. The second filling we'll make, the red filling, starts out with cauliflower rice as well. 4 ounces, that's about 100 grams or so. In it goes. And just like with the last recipe, we're going to add in 2 ounces, that's 56 grams of diced mozzarella cheese. A little more Parmesan for more flavor this time. Here I've got an entire ounce, that's 28 grams, of grated Parmesan cheese. We're also going to add in some meat to this. You can add really any meat you like, however. In this case, what I've got is a cup, that's 4 ounces or 112 grams of Italian sausage that's cooked and crumbled. To this, I'm going to add in a half a cup, that's 4 ounces of my keto pizza sauce. And again, I'll put a link on the screen so you can find my recipe. And then we just mix it up. And there you pretty much have it. This is a good moment to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 190 Celsius, before we go on to the next step. Now that is one heck of a pepper, if you ask me. What's really great about these are that they're really square, and they'll be stable in the dish that I place them in, so it'll be really easy. What we're going to do is we're going to cut this in half to prepare it. First of all, I'm going to cut it right through the stem. I think it makes it prettier. And we're going to remove all of the seeds and all the white stuff in here. This is kind of big stem. We're just going to cut right through that. Be careful. You want the pepper to remain intact. And just simply lift it out. You'll notice, if you look inside, there's some seeds back here. We want to get rid of those as well. So just take your time and just slice away. You can also use your fingers to pull the stuff out. Nothing to it. And that's pretty much it. Next, we're going to fill our peppers. Here, I've prepared this glass dish with a little olive oil that I brushed over the bottom. Now here, got the green pepper, nice and clean, ready to go. Just going to fill it up with our mixture. And push it into the crevices. And there we go. Into the dish it goes. Next, do the same thing with the red peppers and the green stuffing. And there we have it. Maybe a little garnish on top to make it just really, really pretty. I'm going to use a little grated mozzarella cheese. Next, we're going to put them in the oven for 40-45 minutes until the peppers on the outside are nice and tender and ready to eat. And here they are, hot out of the oven. Don't they look great? We'll let them cool off just a little bit before we serve them. And here we've got our final dish. This is one serving of my stuffed peppers. Just beautiful. And let's have a look inside quickly. Just cut this in half. Cut a nice big chunk of it so you can see what it looks like inside. Voila. You see it's got nice big chunks of chicken and of course the cheese in there, melty and everything. This should be just lovely. I say maybe give it a taste. Hey, listen, before you go, don't forget to like, share, comment, and especially subscribe to my channel. Helps my channel grow and helps you find my videos, especially if you click on that notifications bell. Thanks so much for joining us here today at Tim Talks Cooking, huh? We'll catch you next time.